Hello everybody, today I will be picking up some of the gutters from the barn. If you didn't know already, we just painted our barn and we also got new gutters on it, so that is what we will be picking up. This may require some heavy lifting, so we will be using the skid steer. So the skid steer came from that red shed down there. And here's the barn. If you walk all the way over here and look down that hill, you'll see the gutters. So here are the gutters. These have been here for about 2 months, or since the painting the barn video came out. So they're pretty bent up and full with grass. So any minute now, my brother should be coming with the skid steer, and then we are going to start loading up all of these gutters. Before my brother comes, I am gonna prep them, so I am gonna fold them into smaller pieces so they can fit in the skid steer. As you can see, I have folded it a little bit. And then we're just gonna do that until we're done with all the gutters. So here comes my brother with the skid steer, and we are going to start loading this up. So we got all the gutters into here, and now we're going to drive it onto the back of a truck. So here we are at the truck. We already got a load in there. And now my brother will be dumping this one in also. Then we are going to go back for another load. And Baker has come to join us. My brother brings the last load. My other brother and sister are bringing one of their own. Right now, my dad is going to be pushing down on the pile so I can tighten this strap right here. So we just tightened the strap so we can drive with it on the road. We just finished that, and now we're gonna let the chickens out. This is one of my favorite things about the chickens. As you can see, they come out like crazy. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because there's better food out here, but I think it's pretty funny. And very soon, I will be making a video about the chickens. Right now, we're in the truck, and we will be taking it to the recycling center. Right now, we are in the truck. We got some tin cans and stuff. Aluminum cans. Right now, we are in the truck. We got some aluminum cans, and we got all of that gutter. We're in the truck. We got a bunch of tin aluminum. We're in the truck. We got a bunch of aluminum cans, and all the gutters are in the back, and we'll be taking these to the recycling center. There we go. So here we are at the recycling center, and we will be unloading the payload shortly.
Five minutes later.
So we just emptied out the truck, and now we're gonna get our money and go home. We had 153 pounds of painted aluminum, 17 pounds of aluminum cans, 12 pounds of aluminum foil, and that all added up to $35.21. So all that worked equaled $35. There we go. We have all the gutters gone, and the new ones are already up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thank you for watching.